What is going on, guys? We are back, and today we'll have the entire back end of the car off. We took the rear bumper, we took the spoiler off the back. So what we're going to do is we're going to send this off to get repainted, and then we are going to sand the cracks in the paint, get the double-sided tape off where it was stuck to the deck lid, and then we will get this ready for a vinyl wrap that we have coming tomorrow, I believe. So we still got to take the emblems off before we wrap it, as well as the windshield wiper. But yeah, this came off. It's a little tricky, but it's not too bad. So we took that off earlier today. So we will continue this project, hopefully get this one done, and then we'll get the front one done later this or next week. So I'll do a video on taking the front bumper off as well, but for right now we're gonna go ahead and sand this, and then, like I said, get this ready to wrap, and then we will take these emblems off probably tomorrow or Saturday. So stay tuned for that, and we'll keep on going. We got new turn signal lights off Facebook the other day, so we'll put those in the back in the bumper when it's finished. One of these was, you can see it was destroyed. So we got a new one of these, and we'll put those in the new bumper when it's finished. We got the taillights in here because you got to take those off to get the bumper off. But I'll do when we put everything back, I'll do that video here in just a little bit. Then we'll get everything else installed on. Okay, so we have the wing off the car. So you can see, all the clear coat is peeling off. So we're gonna clean this up before we actually wrap it. And what I'm gonna do actually is just wrap the top part in carbon, and then we'll leave this bottom part here because this is actually still good. I'll just wash this or clean this up a little bit. What I did already, flip this over, I already sanded the bottom part of this, so I'll do this in a section. This whole section of the wing on either side is one piece. I'll do the center section underneath, and then I'll wrap the top as one piece as well. So I'm about to sand this down real quick, and then we will clean it up and get ready to wrap. Still working on this thing. Got a lot of it sanded. I probably need to take it outside and finish it. We'll use a sander tomorrow, and we will finish this up. There's still some bubbles in the clear coat we gotta get rid of, so that's all for tonight, but we will finish it in the morning. Alright guys, we are gonna finish sanding this down today with the actual sander, get all this nice and smooth before we wrap it. And then we're also going to sand down some of these rust spots on the deck lid too. So we'll be wrapping this hatch as well. I have to remove the emblems and stuff, but we'll get that done today, and then we will see if we can wrap it.
What more can I say? Hey, yo, what more can I say? This be my coronation, hustle, no hesitation. You know it's understated when they calling me the great. Yeah, listen, what more can I say? Hey, yo, what more can I say? This be my coronation, hustle, no hesitation. You know it's understated when they calling me the great. Yeah, listen, what more can I?
This is done. I got all the clear coat spots out of it, so we should be good. I could not use the air compressor for the sander because it wouldn't hold it, so next best thing, use a drill. So we're gonna have to sand these rust spots off. You can see where the paint's cracking. This is all gonna be wrapped anyway, so we'll sand this to get the rust out of it, make it smooth. And then we'll take this tape off that's still stuck to it from the spoiler. we'll take the emblems off and get this ready to wrap. Okay, I got this sanded. I'm really not too worried about what's underneath here as long as the rust is gone. It don't have to be smooth because the wing is still going to sit on top of this. So that is what it is. I got to peel this rubber up. I got some razor blades. I'm going to heat this rubber up with this tape, get this up, get this nice and smooth before we wash it and get ready. Okay, so this is all clean. All the tape is gone off of here. It's all smooth. We're gonna have to wipe this down really well so there's no dust on it. Take these emblems off with some heat gun and some dental floss. See if we can get behind there and pull these letters off. We'll sand this smooth and we'll take that off real quick. Okay, we're gonna take these emblems off real quick. Get you some dental floss. Comes right off. So we'll do that to these and this one, and then we'll make sure this is all cleaned up before we wrap it.
What more can I say? If green's the color of money, then put that broccoli in my plate. I've been working really hard and giving y'all niggas a reason to hate. Got a meeting with success, don't waste my time, I can't relate. Hip hop swap, nigga, terminating haters. Started in the bleachers.
Alright guys, so I washed this all down, blew it all off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some rubbing alcohol and I'm going to clean the paint one last time to try to get all the dirt and everything off before we actually wrap it. So this should give us a nice surface to wrap this car.
Back up on the scene, ripping for my team, ripping off the industry, I'm on that Wolverine. Put me on vinyl records cause we dropping, crushing and ripping it.
Okay, so what I've done is I've laid this out. I've used some magnets and put up here, and I made sure I have just about a little bit more than ½ an inch of play on the farthest point on this side. This is all laid out here, and then it stretches down here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna cut it somewhere just shy of here. That way I have enough to do some more besides that. I have enough to do the wing and stuff. So I'm gonna use a X-Acto knife, cut this a little bit below here, and then I'll just have the rest left over. Okay, this is all cut, it all looks good. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to leave that magnets up there, and then I'm going to use this Rapid Tack spray. We're gonna spray the part that we're wrapping, and then we will be able to lay it down. It should give it a little bit more adhesive to the paint itself. That way it sticks to it a little bit better. It also should give us a few minutes to work with it as we heat it up and try to work with this. I'm gonna set the camera down. If I cannot, I may run out of battery, but I'm gonna try to film it.
Terminating haters, started in the bleachers, now we ballin' like the Lakers. Back up on the scene, ripping for my team, ripping off the industry, I'm on that Wolverine. Put me on vinyl records. Can I say? If green's the color of money, then put that broccoli in my plate. I've been working really hard and giving y'all niggas a reason to hate. Got a meeting with success, don't waste my time, I can't relate. Hip hop swap, nigga, terminating haters. Started in the bleachers, now we ballin' like the Lakers. Back up on the scene, ripping for my team, ripping off the industry, I'm on that Wolverine. Put me on vinyl records cause we dropping, crushing and ripping it.
Okay, we are done with the wrap. It turned out really well, I thought. I'm sorry my camera died halfway through, but it just took me a couple hours to get it all worked out. The only parts that you can see are right here on the deck lid. They're not completely flat, but you can see some of the holes where the spoiler's going to be. So the spoiler's going to cover all this, so I'm not really worried about it. But yeah, it turned out really well. I'll leave a link in the description below for the Amazon number, or the Amazon part for this particular wrap. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, just comment below, like this video. Take care and have a great day.